how to record voice chats in Discord on Android. So if you want to record voice chats on your Discord on Android, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Discord application. Once you're on your Discord, you just need to simply go with a voice channel which you want to record. And on the Discord, or before recording, what you'll need to do is make sure that you have consent from all the participants before recording. After that, if you do have the consent, you can then swipe down from the top, and here you will find an option of screen recording. Once you find the screen recording option, you just need to simply tap on screen recording. In my case, it's on the top. Like the first option is screen recording. In my case, it's right here on the top left. So you just need to simply tap on it and then start the screen recording. Once you've started the screen recording, it will start recording your screen as well as your voice. Once done, you can just simply go with stop recording and it will be stopped. After that, you can go with your gallery or your photos or albums and you'll have that video right there. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.